Question 15 is all about heat. Let's take it part by part. Part A. Specific heat capacity is the quantity of heat needed to raise the temperature of a unit mass of a substance by 1 degree, or 1 Kelvin. Part B. 1. When an ice cube is placed in water, heat flows from the warmer water to the colder ice. That heat provides the latent heat of fusion, which breaks the bonds in the ice and it melts. Part B. 2. The melting point of the ice can be reduced in 2 ways. First, increase the pressure on it, and second, add impurities such as salt. Part C. A block of ice at 0 degrees is given 2,000 joules. The heat to melt is Q equals m times the latent heat of fusion, so mass m is Q divided by L(F). Substitute 2,000 joules over 3.36 times 10 to the 5. That gives 5.95 times 10 to the minus 3 kilograms of water. Part D. 25 grams of hot water at 50 degrees is mixed with 75 grams of cold water at 20. Heat lost by the hot water equals heat gained by the cold. The specific heat capacity cancels, leaving 25 times 50 minus T equals 75 times T minus 20. Divide both sides by 25. 50 minus T equals 3 times T minus 20. Expand and collect. 110 equals 4T. Divide by 4, and the final temperature of the mixture is 27.5 degrees Celsius. Well done. That completes question 15.